Your race is white, but your nationality is Chinese.
My race is not white. My race is Chinese nation.
Do you think I'm black?
No.
Okay, so but think about it. How easily could my parents have moved to Africa when I was born and give birth to me? Does that mean I'm black?
Yeah, that is different in your case. My so-called race, my ethnicity, have been living in China for 3,000 years.
Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right.
Because in China, we talk more about like cultural identity.
I just have to go to China and see other people.
Yeah. You should come, man. You should come.
I thought you were trolling.
I'm not trolling. I got a question though. I'm always curious about what is the Christmas like in America.
You don't have Christmas?
We kind of celebrate it somehow, but after all, it's not our like festival.
So basically, it's like either your mom or your dad or whoever you live with. That's like the oldest person.
Yeah.
They'll like decorate the whole house. Christmas decorations, right? You just buy everyone gifts, and then one night, like Christmas Eve, we'll all be in the same house.
Yeah.
We'll spend the night together. We'll eat like a big meal, go like parties, and then we'll go to sleep. We'll wake up Christmas Day, and then we'll all open the gifts. It depends on the culture. Like if you're white,
Yeah.
then they're gonna open it Christmas Day, like at 8 or 9 a.m. the next morning. Like Hispanics or some black people will open it up at 12 a.m.
Different timing.
Yeah, I feel bad for you.
Why do you feel bad for me?
Because you don't know Christmas. Like I want to give you a gift.
We have our Spring Festival. Have you ever heard about Spring Festival?
What?
That's like a new year for us Chinese.
You don't have Thanksgiving either. See, that's sad. Those are both of my favorites right there. And you don't even have them.
If you like have experienced the Spring Festival in China, that's gonna be your favorite too.
Wait, I'm sorry, but is Japan in China?
No, Japan is not in China. Japan is a country.
So they're different countries?
Yeah, they're different countries.
Oh, I didn't know that. Is it in the same continent?
Yeah, same continent.
I want to go to Japan, but you're not gonna be there.
The fuck you talking about? You tripping, man. You're tripping.